More than 150 Louisiana 4-H students were busy chopping, stirring, and plating a dish to impress the judges at the 4-H Food Challenge. The competitors had 40 minutes to prepare a main dish, but they were not judged on the dish alone.
They also have to know the nutritional value as well as the economic value of that dish. So the young people get to really experience what it takes and what it costs to cook a meal.
The students had to purchase items from a pantry to complete their dish. They also had to use a secret ingredient, which turned out to be a Louisiana staple: rice.
Rice, as we know in Louisiana, is something that can be used in so many different dishes and in so many different ways, and the kids are proof of that.
Having to prepare a meal without knowing what ingredients would be involved put these young chefs into a pressure cooker situation.
It is a high-stress environment, and so we hope that they will gain confidence and really grow in all of those skills.
Some of the contestants were seasoned veterans in the kitchen.
I think we did really good, in my opinion. I think we did really good. Our speech was really good, and we noted tons of facts. I think we nailed it.
Another essential chef skill is improvising when things don't go quite as planned.
It was originally a veggie rice and gravy, but the gravy turned out a little too thick, so when we mixed it up with the veggies and rice, it turned into like a veggie porridge.
Teamwork and effective communication were also essential ingredients to successfully compete in the challenge, according to many of the contestants. With the LSU AgCenter, this is Craig Gautreaux reporting.